Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add custom domain on Substack. First, log into your account. Once inside, on the left panel, go to your dashboard. Then in here, on the lower left, go to your account settings. Now, scroll down until you see domain and click on the domain section. Here, you'll have the option to add a custom domain, so click on the add button. But first, to add one, you will be charged a $50 to complete this operation, so you need your card number and insert it here. But once you've done that, you can now easily connect your domain. You can also click on this guide so that you will have a guide on how to connect your custom domain to Substack and how to add your records. And that's just basically it. That's how you connect a custom domain to Substack. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.